world of air defense is currently undergoing a major shift. On the one hand, the United States continues to produce and export the F-35 to its allies. On the other hand, Russia is introducing their answer, the Su-75 Checkmate, a single-engine stealth fighter jet that promises high performance at a much more affordable price. Designed not just as a combat tool, but as a symbol of resistance to Western technological monopoly, the Su-75 is Russia's big bet in the war of aerial sophistication. The Su-75 project was born out of Russia's need to fill a void in the low-cost, fifth-generation fighter jet market. While Russia already had the Su-57 as its primary stealth fighter jet, the aircraft was considered too complex and expensive for most potential foreign buyers. Thus came the idea of the Checkmate, a lightweight fighter jet with stealth capabilities and a more rational production price. Its development was first announced by Rostec in mid-2021, and the first model was shown at the MAKS 2021 exhibition. From the start, the Su-75 has been geared as an export product. Countries such as the United Arab Emirates, India, Vietnam, and even some African countries were mentioned as potential target markets. But until now, no official purchase contracts have been announced. The Su-75 was designed with a stealth philosophy from the start. The aircraft features a streamlined design with a single air intake under the fuselage, a typical configuration to minimize radar reflections. The sloping delta wing, sharp snout shape, and use of composite materials all serve to reduce enemy radar detection. Interestingly, despite using only one engine, the Su-75 is claimed to keep up with twin-engine fighters in terms of speed and maneuverability. The underside of the aircraft is designed to be able to carry armaments in an internal weapons compartment, which keeps the radar silhouette low even in combat configuration. Russia claims that this design has gone through a process of high-level aerodynamics and stealth analysis using advanced digital simulations. This means that despite its simpler shape than the F-35, its stealth capabilities cannot be underestimated. Although not much technical information has been made public, some key features of the Su-75 have been announced. The jet will be equipped with a modern AESA radar, active electronic warfare system, and electro-optical sensors to detect threats without having to activate the radar, similar to the technology found on the F-35. The latest generation fly-by-wire flight control system guarantees high maneuverability and precise control. Inside the cockpit, pilots will get a fully digital interface, as well as a smart helmet to integrate sensor data directly into the eye view. In terms of armament, the Su-75 can carry medium and long-range air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, and precision-guided bombs. All major weapons are stored inside the fuselage to maintain a stealth profile, while additional weapons can be mounted externally if the mission requires maximum strike power. The jet is designed to have a speed of up to Mach 1.8 and an operational range of over 2,800 kilometers without the need for refueling. This makes it well suited for operations over large areas, as well as for air superiority and precision strike missions. Thrust is likely to come from the Delhi 30 inches turbofan engine variant, which was developed for the Su-57. This engine is known for its high thrust-to-weight ratio, as well as better fuel efficiency than the previous generation. The Su-75 is also designed to support the concept of network warfare. This means that it does not fight alone. It can communicate in real time with drones, ground radars, and command centers, making it an essential element in modern interconnected military operations. On the face of it, the Su-75 Checkmate is envisioned as an alternative to the F-35. However, the approach is different. The F-35 is built on the philosophy of full integration of stealth, avionics, and logistics. The cost is very high. The Su-75, on the other hand, targets efficiency, providing fifth-generation capabilities at a lower price and complexity. When compared to China's J-31 or J-35, the Su-75 offers flexibility and broader combat experience from its developer Sukhoi. Experience in making the Su-27, Su-30, and Su-57 provide a strong foundation for the development of this jet. Even so, the Su-75 faces major challenges. It has never been widely tested. It has no foreign buyers, and it is being developed amidst economic pressure and global sanctions against Russia. The Su-75 Checkmate is an ambitious project that could be a game-changer or a high-stakes gamble for Russia. It represents a vision of a cheaper, simpler, yet still lethal fifth-generation fighter jet. It is aimed at those who want high technology without paying the political and economic price of buying Western products. But until it actually takes off, is tested, and enters active service, all the promises remain on paper. If successful, the Su-75 could open a new chapter in the modern jet fighter race. If it fails, it will become a historical record of how great ambitions can be stalled by geopolitical realities.